Hello dear decorators, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that truly defines the spirit of the season, Christmas tree ideas. But instead of just showing you pretty trees, we're going to explore the why and the how behind each concept, so you can actually recreate these looks in your own home with confidence, personality, and intention. Because here's the truth, a beautiful Christmas tree isn't about expensive ornaments. It's about creating a focal point that reflects your style, your space, and the atmosphere you want to feel every time you walk into the room. A key aspect to start with is understanding the role your tree plays in your overall decoration. Your Christmas tree is not just another element. It's the visual anchor of your holiday decor. That means everything from color choices to lighting should feel connected to the rest of your space. When your tree feels integrated, the whole room looks more intentional and elevated. One approach that never fails is working with a cohesive color palette. Instead of mixing random ornaments, choose 2 or 3 main colors and build around them. For example, a combination of gold, white, and soft champagne tones creates a warm and elegant atmosphere. The reason this works so well is because it reduces visual noise. When colors are controlled, the eye can focus on texture, shine, and detail rather than feeling overwhelmed. Now, how do you actually apply this? Start with your largest elements first, like ribbon or garlands, because they define the structure of the tree. Then layer in medium-sized ornaments, and finally finish with smaller accents. This layering technique creates depth, which is what makes professional-looking trees stand out. Another interesting approach is embracing a theme that tells a story. This could be something nostalgic, like a vintage-inspired tree with muted reds, faded greens, and ornaments that look slightly worn. The reason storytelling works in decoration is because it creates emotional connection. When someone looks at your tree, they don't just see ornaments, they feel something. To bring this idea to life, focus on details that reinforce the theme. For a vintage look, you might choose matte finishes instead of glossy ones, incorporate warm white lights instead of cool tones, and add elements like fabric bows or even small handcrafted pieces. These subtle decisions make the theme believable and cohesive. A very modern direction, on the other hand, is the minimalist tree. This style is all about restraint. Instead of filling every branch, you intentionally leave space. The result is a clean, sophisticated look that feels calm and curated. The reason minimalism works especially well today is because our spaces are often already filled with visual information. A simpler tree creates balance and allows each ornament to stand out. To achieve this, choose fewer but larger ornaments. Stick to a very limited color palette, like black and white, or silver and neutral tones, and pay close attention to spacing. Every piece should feel like it has a purpose. Lighting is another crucial factor that can completely transform your tree. It's not just about adding lights, it's about how you place them. Instead of wrapping lights only around the outer branches, try weaving them deeper into the tree. This creates a glow from within, giving your tree a richer and more dimensional appearance. An important detail here is the type of light you choose. Warm lights create a cozy, traditional feeling, while cool lights feel more modern and crisp. Neither is better, it depends on the atmosphere you want to create. The key is consistency. Mixing different light temperatures can make the tree look unbalanced. Another approach that's gaining popularity is using natural elements. Think pine cones, dried orange slices, wooden ornaments, or even sprigs of greenery. This style works because it brings a sense of authenticity and warmth into your home. It connects your decoration with nature, which feels grounding and timeless. To make this look intentional rather than random, repeat the same natural elements throughout the tree. For example, if you're using pine cones, distribute them evenly from top to bottom. This repetition creates rhythm, which is essential for visual harmony. If you're someone who enjoys a more playful and vibrant style, you can explore bold color combinations. Bright reds, deep blues, or even unconventional palettes like pink and turquoise can create a fun and energetic tree. The reason bold colors work is because they immediately capture attention and create a joyful atmosphere. However, the key here is balance. When working with strong colors, it's helpful to anchor them with neutral elements like white or metallic accents. This prevents the tree from feeling chaotic and keeps the overall look polished. Texture is another element that is often overlooked but makes a huge difference. A tree that combines different textures, like shiny ornaments, matte finishes, soft ribbons, and natural materials, feels much more dynamic than one that uses the same type of decoration everywhere. To apply this, think in layers again. Start with a base texture, like the branches and lights, then add contrasting elements. For example, if your ornaments are mostly glossy, introduce some matte pieces or soft fabrics. This contrast is what creates visual interest. A very impactful detail that many people underestimate is the tree topper. This is the final element that completes the composition. Whether it's a star, an angel, or something more unique, the topper should feel proportionate to the size of your tree and consistent with your overall style. The reason this matters is because the eye naturally travels upward when looking at a tree. If the topper feels disconnected or too small, the entire design can feel unfinished. So take your time choosing something that truly complements the rest of your decoration. Another interesting direction is creating a tree that reflects your personal story. This could include ornaments collected over the years, handmade pieces, or items that represent meaningful moments. The beauty of this approach is that it's completely unique. No one else will have a tree like yours. To make this look cohesive, try grouping similar items together or balancing them across the tree. Even though the ornaments may be different, the way you arrange them can still create harmony. A key aspect to remember throughout all of this is proportion. Larger ornaments should be placed deeper in the tree or toward the bottom, while smaller ones can go toward the top and outer branches. This creates a natural flow and prevents the tree from looking heavy or uneven. Another practical tip is to step back frequently while decorating. It's very easy to focus on one section and lose perspective. By stepping back, you can see how everything works together and make adjustments as needed. Also, don't underestimate the power of ribbons. They can completely transform a tree when used correctly. Instead of wrapping them tightly around the tree, try letting them flow more naturally, creating soft waves or vertical lines. This adds movement and elegance. Finally, consider the base of your tree. Whether you use a tree skirt, a basket, or a decorative box, this area should not be an afterthought. It grounds the tree and completes the overall look. Choose something that matches your style and enhances the theme you've created. At the end of the day, the most important thing is that your tree feels like you. Trends can be inspiring, but they should never limit your creativity. Use these ideas as a guide, adapt them to your space, and don't be afraid to experiment. Because when you understand the principles behind decoration, the why and the how, you're no longer just copying ideas. You're creating something original, something intentional, and something that truly brings your space to life during the most special time of the year. So take your time, enjoy the process, and let your Christmas tree become more than just decoration. Let it be a reflection of your style, your memories, and the atmosphere you want to create in your home. And remember, the magic isn't in having the perfect ornaments. It's in how you bring everything together.